here we are at the other end of the North Country Trail out of Free Soil. You come down this trail. Come out. What you'll do is you'll hang a left right here. Go down that road and hang a right, and I'll show you where the entrance back is, where it takes you up to Big M. See, there's some fresh mountain bike tracks here already. Somebody's already out. Lucky dog. So when you make the right turn off of the dirt road, after you get off the North Country Trail, you'll hang a right there. You'll go over the Little Manistee River and you'll jump on this paved road. It takes you over the river and up the hill, half-mile or so, and then the trail ducks right in here at the intersection of this gravel road, of this paved road and this gravel road. And the trail starts right in here and takes you up, 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 and up to a pretty cool lookout. And then an intersection to the Big M outer loop is just a mile or so up the trail.